me nua be ma Kofi Mole apostle gangster. Obetro nsem bi a ma me fa bi nso mo say I was no we Kofi Mole be kan say Makoma video no. Once on sack wonwum bi a no expect say nyum de onye obi bona feature na e was say video no utimi ginem or represent. Let me say Mole ya because sack appeal video no. But last week I ran to social and so I watch nsem ne ade. And Mole chim say I was ready to shoot a video, but never got a response from SAC and team. After multiple tests and calls, I let that slide. Okay, Kofi Mole, we could SAC neba, and it could be a question. Go. And Obede, number 1, I'm the best MC from the ghetto, C9, cemetery. Don't test me. Punchline, way back. Can Tony Adeyechelo. Ono so betru bi mane ne say yeah mo mama din nakakra mesra mo osmo bomae me wotro twi sia na mani age because I'm a tree advocate. It is a wit me chere chi na mani age pa say wo Ghana ni bi so konkon it was say yeah mo mama din nakakra mesra mo have no idea about this, and if it's actually happened there was miscommunication somewhere. Only responding to this because I got love for my superstar, Kofi Mole. I don't play games. I'm in or out. Oh, my God. Obede yada one was one. Next, apostle. Send your penny, Casanuti, your penny. What's the issue? Be any ho. Or penny so dear 1 year, no 1 year, or so on your one, so on your one. Sana Sarkodie, or Poismo, one Poissum, so dear Nayamutu. And you know, see, Abani say no. Abani say by acquiring for Minister of Communication, Creative Arts. Abani say Creative Arts for na say Minister of Inchemu. BBS was so big shame na Ghana 40. I say Miami ni abema DJ Slim. Slim. Mene Slim start say check. Slim na menu Kumasi STC Radio somewhere 208. It is Slim na muhu ne sa no so wa che wa gronim papa Kumasi STC Radio. Starting kakra na no de aba hit FM no. It is o kasa onim bibia no no so no onim because wa dore ache e wo industry nim so one fact. Enti nchemu ni bimba. Now so odi bia I achoke.
What happening?
Everything cool.
Everything cool, Mr. Sir.
I'm being informed that you are the person who was supposed to shoot that Makoma video, music video for Kofi Mole.
Yes, sir.
What happened? What really happened?
Do I even know? I think we set the first date, SAC didn't show up, second day, SAC didn't show up. And I think we have to use the same idea to shoot another music video. So that's what happened.
So you set up 2 dates?
Yeah.
And SAC did not show up?
Yeah.
Were there conversations? Did Kofi Mole actually engage SAC, or did you engage SAC to find out the reason why he did not turn up for the first day?
No. I think he was the one in conversation with SAC.
Okay, so it was Kofi Mole who was in constant talks with SAC?
Yeah.
And he did not get any reason, or the team, as in the production team, did not even get any reason why SAC did not show up?
No, I think the days were not working for him.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you can also be waiting for, like, let's say, you keep certain days and the person's showing up and you're still waiting. I think it wasn't making sense.
Now, if the days were not working, why did Kofi Mole tell the production team that you have a video shoot on XYZ dates?
I don't know who exactly Kofi was talking to. But,
okay.
If you're not talking to the right person, the person can tell, okay, let me talk to him. Maybe you can do it on Tuesday.